to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Be sure to subscribe to The Fast Life. That stands for Fine, Authentic, Superior, and Tenacious. So if that's you, definitely hit the subscribe button because my channel is just like that. So anywho, today I'm going to be showing y'all how I do my baby hairs. Clearly I have not. So it's just like, what more? It's just the perfect opportunity to do a tutorial. Once you get to this step of your wig install, it's time to pull out the flat irons. There's the pencil flat irons. It's just like really important these days. And it's crazy because like in the past, we were never using flat irons to curl our baby hairs. Maybe we were, but I wasn't. But until Arrogant Tay did it, nobody was doing this. And this is like really like it's a lifesaver. And this is the pineapple wave hair, by the way, from the thelacelabb. I will put everything in the description box below. But this is a 24-inch HD 13x4 lace frontal wig. But anywho, what you want to do, first step, we're gonna curl the baby hairs. But what you want to do is like comb them out so they are not like so stuck to your head. So curl these out so that you can get a nice curl on them. And curl every piece, I mean. You want to curl them super duper tight so that they swoop perfectly. The tighter the curl, the better it will be. But don't burn yourself, y'all, because like it's easy to. So again, all you do is just curl backwards. Y'all see that? And then my sideburn piece, that will always be pretty good. Like it just lays naturally by itself. But some people like they want their hair to like swoop that way. So if you want your sideburn piece to like swoop too, like just curl it. But mine is already swooping. Y'all see that? So I'm gonna do the other side just so y'all can see again. So you just want to make sure everything is like combed out, not stuck and not crusty. Look at it. That's how you lay motherfucking lace. For sure. Now to actually go in and swoop the baby hairs, I really need the hair to fuck up. So what I'm gonna be doing is using Gorilla Snot. So it's at my mama's bathroom. When she see this, she's gonna have a problem with it. But anywho, Gorilla Snot. I'm gonna show y'all the other edge control that I be using. Okay, so this edge control, the True Edge Fixer, it's like Edge Fixer, and they have like a whole bunch of different colors. This is a good edge control, and then Gorilla Snot is a good edge control. I like this because it's very, very like waxy, and it keeps the baby hairs like in place, and it also doesn't turn the baby hairs white. But I'm out. And y'all, this is also the same brand as my flat irons, the Red by Kiss. This is the Red by Kiss Edge Fixer, Edge Control. So all this stuff really is like amazing. Okay, what you want to do is take some edge control. I'm gonna just go ahead and put some on my back of my hand, and I'm gonna take a little bit, and I'm gonna start off by putting it like on the hair part. So right up in here is where you want that edge control to go. But try not to put too much, because like too much edge control and like two edges like too laid is just not a thing, you know? So like we really want to keep that soft baby hair look. So yeah. And as you swoop it into place, like you'll see the curls that you did. So just go along with the curls that you did and just keep like swooping everything into the hairline. Y'all get what I'm saying? Like, so you just wanna like do that until things have laid. Boom. And I'm combing it like into the hair because I don't want no problems. And I don't know if y'all know, like curling the baby hairs really like keep it from being down on your forehead. Like the tighter you curl them, the more they're gonna swoop. So like curl your baby hairs, y'all. Last thing I'm gonna do is just go ahead and give my baby hair some shine using the Bio Silk serum. This stuff is like awesome. It really helps with shine, just so the baby hairs don't look crusty. So I just put some in the palm of my hand and I'm just going to do what you see me doing. Because I don't like to just dry my hair out by keep wetting it. What I'll do is just put like a shine serum on it so that it looks wet and curly, but you know, it's just like shiny, but it gives it that wet illusion. So there's a little tip for y'all. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. This was just a quick, easy tutorial on how to do your baby hair and kind of like your curly hair routine. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Here is my finished look. Here's the finished look. I'm gonna list everything that I use in the description box below, including the hair details. But that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm officially late for work. Hit the subscribe button, please. Hit the like button, please. But thank you for watching. I'll see y'all soon.